Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Deepthi and in today's video we'll be having some fun with watercolor brush markers and I'll be making these two birthday cards. For that I'm going to use Maker Forte's Cheers stem set, which is just perfect for creating some cool birthday cards. And for the sentiment I will be using this Maker Forte Sodalite full stem set with lots of sentiment in this. So let's get started. Here I took Canson watercolor paper and stamped my focal image from Maker Forte Cheers stamp set using Ranger's black archival ink. I did it with the help of my stamping tool. I'm using archival ink because this ink is waterproof and we are going to spray lots of water in this stamp cardstock. Here I took some bright colors aqua markers from Decotime, which I bought it here in Brussels from a local store. You can use any watercolor brush marker for this technique. Here I'm roughly with the loose hands coloring my focal image using different colors. You can mix the colors here. I have left some white space in the image, but you can completely fill your image with the watercolor markers. It depends how intense the colors you want. Now comes the fun part. I took Maker Forte Mr. Perfect spray bottle and spread a lot of water over the colored image, and you will see colors will start reacting with water and spread around the image. You can move around the color by moving the cardstock, and once I was satisfied, I heat set it. I realized that there is less of blue, so I colored the part of the image with blue and repeated the same process where I added the color, spread the water, move it around and heat set it. You can repeat this process till you're satisfied with your panel. So here's the tip. Before applying more colors, make sure you have dried your panel completely. Here my panel is ready, and to further add interest I splatter it with the same color and then adhere it to the matching cardstock. For that I have used Maker Forte Hyde Park colored cardstock. You can find the list of supplies in the description below. Now I stamped the sentiment from Maker Forte Sodalite full stem set to complete this card. I kept it very simple, no sequins, no gemstones, and I really like the artistic effect it gives. I hope you like it too. With this, I'm done with my first card. Isn't it a fun way to use your watercolor brush markers? Let's move to the second card where I have used the same technique and made a monochromatic birthday card. To start with, again, I took Canson watercolor paper and applied anti-static powder and then stamped the image from Maker Forte Cheers stamp set using Maker Forte Color Hive clear ink and heat embossed it with white embossing powder. Here I took all the shades of blue watercolor brush markers which I had in my stash and colored the image roughly as we did in our previous card using different shades. Once done with coloring, I spread the water using Mr. Perfect spray bottle from Makeup Forte and moved the color around and heat set it. I repeated this process till I was satisfied. Here I repeated the process of adding colors 2-3 times, and if you think color is too dark then spray a lot of water to wash off the color, and if it is light add more color and play with it till you are happy. I'm done with my panel here and I splattered it with same color to add more interest. Once the panel dried, I mounted it on Winsor blue colored cardstock from Makeup Forte. And after that, I stamped the sentiment from Makeup Forte Sodalite full stamp set to complete this card. So here our perfect masculine card is ready. So just by changing the color tone and stamping the image with white embossing powder gave us a totally different look as compared to the previous card, though we have used the same techniques. I really enjoyed putting this video together. I hope you get inspired. If you like this video, then please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll be back here soon. Till then, bye bye.